coastal waters from Savannah, Georgia to Altamaha Sound, Georgia, 20 nautical miles, including Gray's Reef National Marine Sanctuary, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 5 nautical miles west of Wausau Sound buoy, moving southeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include C Buoy 2W, Wausau Sound buoy, C Buoy S, GUA buoy, Ossabaw Sound, Savannah buoy, buoy KC, Motherwell barge and sailboat Jupiter. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.